Welcome to the quiz world. Can you guess the Inventions and Inventors Quiz questions? Let's get started. First question. Who invented the first mechanical computer? Amazing start. It's a Charles Babbage. Second question. The answer is Alessandro Volta. Do you know about this question? The correct answer is Thomas Edison. Fourth question. Who invented the airplane engine? You guessed it right. Wright brothers. Next question. Who invented the telephone? The right answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question 6. Can you identify the picture who made it amazing? It's a Guglielmo Marconi. Question 7th. Who invented the first vaccine? It's Edward Jenner. What about this? The answer is Alfred Moo. Next question is who invented the typewriter? The correct answer is Christopher Sholes. Question 10th. Who invented the telescope? It's Galileo Galilei. Next, do you have an idea? Yes, it's Thomas Edison. Question 12th. Who invented the diesel engine? Any idea? It's Rudolf Diesel. Next question. Who invented the motion picture camera? The right answer is Thomas Edison. Now, the second last question. Can you guess this question? The correct answer is Gillette. The last question is, who invented the air conditioner? It's Willis Carrier. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.